Welcome back to C#.NET tutorials. In this video, let us see what is .NET. .NET is a free, cross-platform and open source developer framework for building many kinds of applications. So here we need to understand .NET is a framework used by the developers to build the applications. What kind of applications we can build using .NET? Using .NET, we can build so many kinds of applications, like almost all kinds of applications, like web applications, desktop applications, mobile applications, console applications, and gaming applications, and network applications, and service-based applications. Like this, we can build so many applications using this .NET developer framework. So here we can see .NET is a free. If you want to use this platform to build applications, you don't need to pay anything. Okay. And also cross-platform. Cross-platform is nothing but if you build applications using this .NET framework, those applications will work on multiple platforms like Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Mac operating system. Like that, .NET applications will work on multiple platforms. Okay, that's why it is a cross platform. And also it is open source. So open source is nothing but .NET framework is a open source. If you want to contribute to the framework, you can contribute. Okay, so that's the .NET. And .NET is mainly having three different things. First one, languages. So languages like C#, VB, and F#. Like this, .NET is having many languages. And second one is the technologies. So .NET is having different technologies like ASP.NET, ADO.NET. Like this, it is having many technologies. And .NET is also having the servers. SQL Server, IIS server. IIS is nothing but Internet Information Services. This will be used to run web applications. And SharePoint. So like this, there are many servers in .NET. So to maintain all these, .NET is giving us three things: base class libraries and CLR, Common Language Runtime, and third one is SDKs. .NET is giving these three things as a framework to support or build the above three. Okay. So BCL is nothing but base class libraries. CLR is nothing but Common Language Runtime. SDK, so Software Development Kit. Let us see what all these three. Okay. So these are the components. So as we discussed, if you want to develop a application or a software, you need libraries. Like in C language, we have header files, and Java, we have the packages. Like that, in .NET, we have the libraries. We can call that as a BCL libraries, base class libraries. These are pre-compiled code used to develop the applications. Okay. So after writing the code, if you want to run that code, we need runtime, right? So the second one is the runtime. CLR is nothing but the runtime. So CLR's responsibility is to run the applications. Okay. So if you build application using the base class libraries, if you want to run that code, you need to use the CLR runtime. Okay. So compiler. So compiler in .NET, we have so many languages, right? For every language, we have separate compilers. We will discuss that. When you write a source code, if you want to run that particular source code, you need to compile that before running it. When you compile it, it will first identify the errors. And if there are no errors, then it will convert that code into machine understandable code. Okay. The compiler job is to convert source code into the machine understandable code. Okay, so in .NET we have so many compilers. For C# we have one compiler, VB we have one compiler, for F# we have one compiler. Like that, for every language we have separate compilers. We will discuss that. And the last one is a SDKs. When your .NET framework is installed, you will have BCL and CLRs. Okay, so when there is a latest technology released in .NET, how you can add that to your development platform using the SDK. SDKs are software development kits, so will be used to add modern workflows to our development platform. Okay, so these are the .NET components. If somebody asks you what is .NET, you can say .NET is collection of BCL, base class libraries, and CLR, common language runtime, and SDKs for modern workflows. Okay. Okay. So that's about the .NET. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.